To integrate cos squared x dx, we say from our identity cos 2x equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. So we make cos squared x the subject. So cos squared x will equal to 1 plus cos 2x out of 2. So after making it the subject, you are going to substitute it back. We come and say cos squared x dx is equal to the integral, a half out, we put the half out, integral of 1 plus cos 2x dx. Then after, we go ahead to integrate each. So we have a half integral of 1 dx plus integral cos 2x dx. And then when we integrate, we have 1 out of 2. When you integrate 1, you get x plus, when you integrate cos 2x, you have a half sine 2x. Close the square brackets plus a c. So therefore, when you multiply it inside, we shall have x out of 2 plus 1 out of 4 sine 2x plus a c. Just like that, you are done integrating cos squared x dx. As simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.